How to make image black and white in Photopea. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video I will guide you how you can make image black and white in Photopea. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up photopea.com and then import the image that you want to make black and white. So once you have your image, now navigate to this toolbar or menu bar at the top. Click on image option. From this menu bar, you have to go to adjustments. Now on the adjustments, there is black and white. Click on it. As you can see, the image is already turned into black and white. If you want to adjust some color, here are options. You could also do that, then click on OK. So that's how you can make image black and white in Photopea. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.